Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. The last 24 hours have been very volatile, as expected, but overall, even though if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, like the price action we had yesterday was absolutely nuts, and that is to be expected, especially on the Monday, especially still in the holiday season, because it's New Year's tomorrow, obviously, but in general, very volatile. But that's the 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are practically still at the same situation as yesterday. Now, if you still remember my video yesterday and what I said in my middle of the day market update, is that what I think is most likely, and I said that yesterday as well, is that we will be able to hold this level here at 92,000 as support, and that we will, hopefully also be able to get some sort of a move into 96,500 and 99,000 to set up some sort of a range right here. And so far, I have been right in saying that 92,000 would hold, and yesterday that wasn't that clear, I'd say. But the thing is that I do need a little bit more confirmation to actually know that we're also going back up to 97, 98, and 99,000, because so far, even though we have held 92,000, so that's good, right? We have not been able to get any bullish breakout from there since Sunday, because the main level we're trying to break back above is this level right here around 95,000, and I think we need to see the price actually break back above 95,000 as well before we can actually say that, all right, this bottom has held. Because one of the biggest problems we have for Bitcoin right now, I mean, first of all, look, volatility is still to be expected, right? So that's not a problem, because we know that's going to happen, and we already saw the volatility yesterday. It's bad for people that are high on leverage right now, but outside of that, it also did not do much. But the thing that I'm most, not worried about, but that I think can spoil the fun and can still make Bitcoin drop down towards 89 and 86, 85,000 is the fact that there's absolutely no strength coming from the US anymore, from the United States. And that's a difference. We used to have quite a lot of strength at the beginning of December and during the entire month of November, and I do think that will return at some point of time. But if, like what we saw yesterday, you can see that right here. If you take a look at the Coinbase Bitcoin price, that went into a massive discount, all right, about 0.25% lower than other exchanges, which means that there's a lot of selling pressure on Coinbase, which is most likely or mostly used by US citizens and institutions. So if that selling continues, which you can see right now, it's actually dropping down a little bit, and yesterday it also dropped down a bit. But if that, when the US opens again today, and if it increases again, there is still the risk that will drop down lower, and that will drop down below 89 and 86,000. Now, so you should be prepared of that. I still think, because of the strength of the support level, but also how it has been defended again yesterday, which the volume at this point of time is up another 55%. Like the level was very much respected and also actively defended. So that's why I still do think that it is most likely that, first of all, we'll hold that level. We might still have some volatility, but that's okay. But that we'll be able to hold that level and still get into 97, 98, 99,000. And then from there, we'll see whether we can break out. Probably not. But at least then we have seen some bullish momentum. So that's what I would say is most likely. I'll be back again, of course, in the middle of the day with my market update. So keep an eye out for that. For now, have a great Tuesday. Happy New Year, and bye.